Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a form using Microsoft Word. Now, to create a form using Microsoft Word, you will need to have your developer tab installed. Now, if you don't have your developer tab installed, you need to go to File, select on File, go to Option, then you go to Customize ribbon, then you look for your developer option here, developer option. If it is not ticked, you go ahead and tick it and then you press OK. Now it would come in. Now I'm going to use a table format, so I will go to insert my table. So I'm going to use 2 columns just for quick reference. Now I click, now my table is in. Now the first thing I want to format is date. I need a drop down menu for my date, so I click on date. All I simply do is to go to my developer tab, click on calendar here. Now once you look here, realize the calendar automatically come in and I can select any date from the calendar. Now I need to put in another drop down menu, so I'm going to look at class. So over here, you click in the table where you want, and we click on the drop down option. Now I go to property and I select the option that I want. So I want class here. Select class. I'm going to write select class. You select your class. So you add the options that you want. So we say grade 1. So you press OK. If you want grade 2, you would have added grade 2. So you say grade 2. Etc. So you could go ahead and add as many of them as you want just to see how it works. So if I come here and somebody's filling out this form, all they need to click on here, select the day. So today is the 6th, so I select the 6th, or I want to select the 10th, so I select 10th of November, and then I select the class, and I could select grade 1 or grade 2, and it is inserted. And that's how I use my developer app to create a form.